Hello guys, my name is Ken at Programming House. Today I will show you how to create a digital watch in Python. Before we continue, please press that subscribe button. So we'll create a file, Python file. We'll give it a name, watch.py. Then inside here we'll import two modules. The first one will be time. Then the second one, let's say from Tkinter import whole. So now we'll initialize our GUI. Then we will give it a title. You can give a title. Me, I will call it digital watch. Then we'll have a label with the name clock as equals to label. Then the label will be in the top frame. Then give it a font of Times New Roman, 50 is the bold, and then you make it bold. Then we will use grid layout. We'll press it through 0 and column 1. Then here we can add the background. Background is equals to any color. Let's give it gray. Then we should not forget this function, main loop. It's very important. Otherwise, if we'll leave this method here, our GUI, our digital watch will not work. So now here, after this, we'll need to create a function. We'll create a function with the name take any name. Let me call it clock. Then here, now we'll have the time string. We'll have the time string as time dot. Then give the format as age then seconds. Oops. Then after that, no, we can't give it as clock. We have clock here, so we'll have to change it to, let's say, tick. Now we will configure this clock here to have its text as the time string here. So we'll have clock dot config. Then we'll have text is equals to time string. Then after that, now we'll have clock, not clock. Yeah, we'll have clock dot after. Let's give it milliseconds, like 100 milliseconds. So it will again call itself. This is a recursive function, so after 100 milliseconds it will call the function itself again. So that is it. Now after that, we'll need to call the tick function there. Then if we run our code, it's supposed to be working. Right now it's 11 plus 11 minutes. So that's our time. Hours, seconds, minutes, then seconds. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to